Guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube. Sorry that I didn't have the time to make the part two, but bear with me. I already got everything built, but I'm gonna go ahead and run with everything and show you guys what I did, right, and how do I did it, and some troubleshoots that you might see on your Polymer 80 and how to fix that. So this video is for you. So test that you're gonna do on your polymer. When you build everything, you want to make sure that your slide runs like butter, right? That you want the slide to go to battery, right? You want your barrel to go to battery, right? So the other one you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure everything is clear before handling the trigger, and then you shoot, right? And you check that that gun will go to battery without too much force. Don't 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 put too much like that. Just try to do a reasonable, and you see that it'll go to battery. If it does that, it's okay. Wow, that trigger. Check this out. Like that's the wall. Boom, fires. Wow. It's very short. It's very light. It's a 3 pound trigger. Right? So that's the first thing you want to do. Right? If your slide stays back right there, it is not in battery, it will not engage. All right, it'll not shoot. All right, so that means that your trigger bar is hitting your plunger. All right, and it's stopping right there. All right, so make sure you swap your plunger to a round one and smooth it out and polish it. And you could put a lighter spring and you will be good to go. All right, so that's one good thing that you could do right there. All right, so I went with a Killer Innovation slide Gen 4 with the compensator from Killer Innovation, the barrel from Killer Innovation. I went with the Holosun, and this one is the HS507C, right? So I have the Trigicon night sights, right? Very nice. Um, I have a 13 pound spring with a stainless steel thin coated guide rod with the adapter. All right, looking very nice, right? Right here, my polymer. You can see my work that I did here that doesn't even, okay, there you can see it. I grind only just a little bit, and I filed it with paper, with sandpaper, right? And I oiled it, and it just looks very smooth, all right? It came out very nice. In the middle side right here, where the guide rod goes, that is very smooth right there too. Everything is oily and greasy because it's breaking. It's in the breaking process. But this came very nice. My rails, when I put them in, it came very nice, all right? So I went with the housing, the P80 housing, but this one is the adjustable. This one has the um, over travel. It has the over travel eliminator. So it has a Allen screw behind it, so you could adjust it there so your trigger could have a stop and doesn't go more back than that. All right, so that is very nice. All right, so I did that. um I went with the double diamond from Glock store on my trigger connector, and I polished the crap out of it. All right, it was not polished, but I polished it completely. I left it like a mirror. Right, um, that bar that you see, the crucifix, you see that it's shiny, that is polished completely. I did that too. All right, that's the OEM trigger bar. All right, I believe that is a Gen 3 Glock 19 trigger bar. All right, so I think sharp rifle. I don't know. I don't even want to say if it was. No, I think it. No, it doesn't. It wasn't. No, it wasn't. That was my rifle. Oh my god, that was my rifle. I forgot the name of my trigger shoe. It says RP right there. And this trigger is a flat trigger with the over travel eliminator too, and it has those nice grooves right there. It's a very nice trigger. I just love this trigger completely. It has like so many options that you could have them painted like gold, black, or and those lines in there you could put them in different colors too, and you could add this lines in the bottom too, or if you want your lock in a different color, you could put different colors. I went with silver, black, and gold because I have black, silver, and gold. I have gray, not silver but gray. But in the page it just says gray, but it's kind of silver. But it's right there. I'm gonna make a research and then I'm gonna leave it in the comments below where I got this trigger, man. This trigger is amazing. I love it at all. It's very wide. You can feel the grip and you will not slip this trigger, right? So I went with that one. This I forgot. I've been a whole year with this thing right here, so I forgot where I got it. But I went with the side one. It goes in the side of the slide. It looks amazing, very tactical, very nice and effective, and very reliable. Strike Industry mag release, extended. It's very extended, like very extended. I went with the Killer Innovation Magwell. Alright. This is from Cross Armory, takedown level. And this is from Cross Armory, the pins. And this is the P80 4-pin kit, alright? And the people that sold me those pins, let me see, are Nevada Smith. Bear with me. Nevada Smith. So yeah, these people right there, blah blah. I don't sponsor no one. I bought this from my pockets. Avalanche. I don't know. All right. So I went with the flashlight. I went with the Streamlight HL. This is a TLR2. All right. So this one has laser and flashlight. This one is 1,000 lumens and red laser. All right. So it's a very nice. Everything came out very nice. This part was a mission, but came out very nice, and it was very hard and stiff, and it's ready to be painted and cerakoted, right? So yep, I like it a lot. And that's about it in parts that I went with it. All right, so things that you want to try to eliminate rough areas from the rails in the back and in the front over here. And in the first video I already explained you how to do this part over here. It's very easy. Try to make it nice and very nice, because you just got one shot. Once you blew this, you just screwed up. You're in great problems right there. There's no turning back. All right, so that's about it. Right. I go like butter. And I used to have a frame that was original. I wish I had it at this moment so I could show you that it behaved just like the original, alright? So because it's just the rails came out nice, it doesn't have wobble. This gun is solid. It came out nice, people. How fast? You guys seeing this ridiculous thing? Guys, any comments or any questions or anything that you guys want, please leave it in the comment below. This is live ammunition, but this is how it's going to look. Killer Innovation plate. Alright, and if you want to go a little bit more stylish, you go with the extended mag from Killer Innovation. Alright, so that's how it's going to look. Alright, so got this box, very nice box. Something very expensive, very nice. I cut it with the design of the gun. All right, put it right there. Put this right here. Look how it looks. All right, so water sealed, ready to carry and go to the range, guys. I hope you guys like the video, and I will leave any details on the comment below. Take care.